but it's from your few friends from the medical mission team. And so we raised some funds. Actually, when we approached them, without hesitation, they gave their contribution right away. So, and also we did fundraising. We did casino night, and so until we came up with the $1,000. So tonight, without hesitation, I would like to present again this Melvin Jones to PDG Albo Seco. PDG Al. Thank you. Thank you.
Hep, hep.
Roar!
Hep, hep.
Roar!
Hep, hep.
Roar!
Congratulations.
I have two more presentations to make, and the first one actually we received this award. We received this award during our district cabinet meeting. Oh, actually, not cabinet meeting, but during the district convention, District 4C5 convention, and it's the District Humanitarian Award, a joint project by Mount Apple Lions Club and Maharlika Lions Club for 2009 Child Sight, Dental, and Medical Mission to Davao Philippines. So I'm presenting this to your beautiful president, Myla.